Okay, so in this video we're going to show how to clean a super thin system, super thin skin system. So what you do is, I'm going to wet the hair, shampoo, remember to always wash the hair in one direction. And if there's you see any glue, you just rub it off. Now you're going to rinse it once. And I see there is a little bit of glue left, so I will use a towel. And you just wipe it off. Make sure the towel is dry. As you can see, very, very gentle, and the little pieces of glue is coming off. But don't be rough on it, be very gentle. See, it's nice and clean. And then we shampoo it one more time. So as I mentioned earlier, we do not want to use conditioner on the hair system. We can use the leave-in conditioner. So when you wash it, all you use is just shampoo. And this is how you clean the super thin system.